out a 5 in the pack. I just seen that shit in Nevada. I got that shit back in the lap.
Alright, y'all. Probably after like, I'm gonna say like 2 or 1.5 hours of driving on the road, we done made it to this plaza place. Y'all know them plaza places where, you know what I'm saying, where you gotta stop, use the bathroom, get you some food, get you some snacks, you know what I'm saying? Y'all know that. But yeah, we done made it to one of these. We got I'm pretty sure we got hours left, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. I had to secure the snacks. I had to secure my baby. Look. Hold on, y'all can't even see. Let me show it. Let me turn it around. Look, y'all. You know I gotta secure the snacks, bro. My baby in the seatbelt, you feel me? Yeah. But yeah, I'm trying to listen to my music, so y'all gonna have to tune in and yeah, just be on the road, you feel me? Let's get it.
You know I ain't playing it hard. You know I ain't playing it nigga. I'm rapping this shit from the soul. Sometimes I feel like drawing a pitch. You play this shit and it wasn't night ride, but it wouldn't end, baby. I still got the shooters, I'm staying inside, but still got the glimpse, baby. I call it up in the side of the house, you know I'm cooking inside of the line. You thought it was over, you thought it was over. I'm still in the hood, I'm still in the trap. Why would I leave? No, you don't care about me. I'm sipping lean out of baby bottle. I'm in the hood with a baby chopper. I'm on the sofa like the flow with lava. I got 2 bitches and they tryna gobble. I got 2 bitches and they tryna argue, yeah. Boom at me, boom at me. Still in the trap with a trap beat, still in the trap, baby, trapping. I trap out the front, I trap out the back, you know that I trap out the spine. These niggas play round, these niggas play side, these niggas get caught in the fire. I do it for baby, I do it for nigga, you know I put over the guy. My brother hit locked in the wall, I know it get hard in the wall. I told him to stay with his chain, I told him I'm flying on the plane. I told him I'm doing big thing, I'm far from the hood right now, but you know I'm good right now. Ain't worried about them hoes right now. I just dropped a bow in the bowl, I just dropped a 5 in the pack. I just seen that shit in Nevada, I got that shit back in the lap. You know I ain't playing it hard, you know I ain't playing it nigga. I'm rapping this shit from the soul, sometimes I feel like drawing a pitch. You play this shit and it wasn't night ride.
Alright, y'all, we finally made it to Philly, man. You feel me? Cruising. But yeah, we tried to go look for some swimming trunks because we about to go swimming at this hotel, I think. Or at the beach. You know what I'm saying? Hey, how y'all like my hat though? I just got it to match my drip. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I was woke the whole time for the whole ride, like 10 hours. I was woke till now, bro. That's crazy. And it's still going on. Like, I've been woke since 1 yesterday, so that's like 24 hours already. I just been woke. But yeah, we in Philly, man. Those are train tracks right there. Them trains be loud. But yeah, we might go to the beach, go swimming today. Yeah, we going to the beach. We going.
That's it.
Yeah. Yeah, we going to the beach. And yeah, stay tuned. All right, so we made it to the beach. What's this, Ocean City? Ocean City, New Jersey, yeah.
They got an Ocean City in Maryland too.
Ain't that the one we went to last time? Oh. But yeah, we got some chicken and Pete's Famous crab fries, something like that. Yeah, you must bustin', I ain't gonna lie. Cheese sauce. Hey man, is that good?
Yep.
You must look you fire. They hot too. I ain't gonna lie. Burn my taste buds up. Stay tuned. Dang, you can see the steam off that mug. Me too.
I got product on my ass. I got signs that full of face. Put a quarter on your ass. Get your body for a pack. Nigga, I Jago, big ass seed. I just wanna swallow my key. Big ass Jago, big ass seed. I fucked the bitch, we made a slip. I'm smoke me an all just like shit. Pay that bitch, she not my key. Tryna fuck two hoes, I think they twins. I'm running a car hard. Got a baddie and she died hard. I'm at the blessed hoe. I got water on my ass. I got slime, they pull up fast. Put a quarter on your ass. Get your body for a bag. Big ass Jago, big ass seed. I just wanna swallow my keys.
Hey, this mud too cold though. Hey, I'm in the short, man. I'm in the short, man. Oh, this mud too cold though, bro. Hey, the sun came out though. Like, bro, I wanna mess up my hair, but I don't at the same time. You feel me? Look at that. Yeah. Oh! You good? How you fall? What? Oh. Bro, it's like I'm moving, but I'm not.
You need a towel? Yeah.
Man, you can wipe that off your face. Yeah. Hey, you see that? Hey! Hey, hold up! Oh, my back, bro. Hey, man. Living my best life, you feel me? Sun lit out here, man. Yeah.
And I'm in my closet, yeah. I'm about to fuck on the project.
That water's so nasty.
I know.
I don't want to live on my face.
Like, I'm just trying to enjoy it. I'm just trying to enjoy the water. Oh! Hey, we done with the beach now. That was a cool little vlog. Hey man, tell me how y'all like that cinematic though. That cinematic was something different. I'm about to sit at the bench right now and just wipe my feet off. Cause I got sand on these boards.